Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free in Africa with Nancy. So today I'm going to cook in a little mini butt pan. I am making a flash omelet, not a quiche. I guess you can call it a quiche. To me it's going to be an egg omelet, and that's what we're going to name it. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. Get some stuff out of the way. Here's our bowl. I've cut up some onion. And we're going to get this started. So I have one egg. Put that in our bowl. Wash my hands real quick. Alright. Now, I'm going to get a fork. Dishwasher. Alright. So we're just going to mix this up. Now, if one egg doesn't seem like it's enough, you can add water, you can add milk, you can get another egg. So, with that in thought, if you use like water or milk or something, then we're going to use almond milk because I want to see how it does. Give it a little extra time in the oven. Alright, so we got our milk. We're going to season with Himalaya pink salt. Just a couple of turns. We're going to add some onion powder along with onions. Some black pepper, and I'm going to add some basil. We're going to give that a good mix. Now with the bacon, I'm going to add some bacon. And I put it in here, separate it. Well, this one's separate. There we go. Cut it up a little bit more. I still have some asparagus left over, so I'm going to throw a couple pieces of that in there. Get this a little bit from down here on this side. So, try not to get my hands too dirty. There we go. We have that, and then we're going to put our onion in. Still give it a good stir and a mix. And here's our bowl. Our little container. So we'll just pour all that in. I've got the oven set on 365 instead of 350 because I just wanted to have it just up just a little bit to see, you know, what it will do. So we're going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes roughly. We'll check on it and see how well it is in 15 minutes. If it needs a little bit more cooking time, we will adjust the time. So let's put this in the oven. And stick it like there in the middle. And we'll see y'all in a little bit. Alrighty, it's been 15 minutes and we're going to check this out. And yes, I've got bacon. I'm going to cook some bacon. No, I'm going to show y'all because I want y'all to see. So not quite, it's still quite jiggly in the middle. So we'll put that back in, we'll do another 5 minutes, and then I'll cook some bacon. Alrighty, it's been another 5 minutes, so we're going to check again. Still, we're going to put the bacon in. Also, so let that bacon cook. Wash my fork. And we're going to check this out. Is it done? Is it not done? Not really. It's not done. Alright, so we're going to put this in the oven with the bacon. And we'll check it again. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to take it out. And we're going to see. Glasses are nice and foggy now. Alright. I had a bowl. What do I do with it? There's my bowl. So we're going to cut this out. Now remember, it was probably, I added that milk. And I did not spray this pan, this little thing. So, it does take the shape of your thing stuck in there because we don't have no spray. And I forgot to put olive oil on it. Oh, that hurts my ears. There you go. It would be this. Probably maybe 30 minutes at the most. Depends on if you use milk or water in it. And I did put that almond milk in it. So that's why it took a little bit longer to bake. And my suggestion is 375 instead of 350 or 365. Just for the fact that it will cook a little bit faster. I put it to 375 because it wasn't cooking the way I wanted it to. But this, oh, it smells so good. Alright, so y'all ready for a taste test? So I've got some bacon there. I've got the egg, onion, and asparagus. You can add a little bit more salt and pepper if you want to. It's kind of hot. Oh, that's so good. So, there we go. Little egg muffin, Bundt pan, quiche. It tastes so good. Maybe a little bit extra salt and pepper. But there you go. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Have a Go with Nancy.